Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: fully electric vehicle, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, all-wheel drive, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.